Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this cartoon turtle. This is a Pokemon. So today I am going to model this simple model in Maya. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is very simple cartoon turtle Pokemon. I don't know his name. So he's a Pokemon. So this is a quick tutorial on how to model this model in Maya. So stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.